Hardest thing I think is when you come back. What's the matter, baby? You look at me like I don't want to be in this mess.
That's fucking disgusting. Oh, I'm gonna throw up.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Benny, here to report on a guy who showers with his daughter and touches and sniffs children, Joe Biden. Joe Biden back at it again. Hey, singing the oldies. People spot big problem in picture of Biden visiting middle school. He visited a middle school this week in Washington, D.C., and he started inappropriately touching children, like immediately. Started stroking children's faces. Oh my. What's this image? Okay. Oh, man. Oh, you poor child. Oh, you poor child. This just looks like the Crypt Keeper's hand. Joe Biden. It also looks very much like an episode of To Catch a Predator. This is the original photograph taken by the New York Times. My God, how did they even let this out? And more importantly, will this child get therapy? Poor thing. Many of the children were, of course, distressed when Joe Biden entered their classroom. They literally screamed at the top of their lungs in terror. Listen.
Go ahead, Miss Fred. Nice.
Plenty of time. Plenty of time. Just later.
Okay, that doesn't sound good. Okay. So they're screaming, and then what happened when Joe Biden got inside? He immediately started touching more children. Look at how excited Joe Biden is to do this. These people are such awful degenerates. Joe Biden inside of the classroom is about as bad as anything that you could ever ask for. Again, it is an episode of To Catch a Predator. Joe Biden inside the classroom being so utterly awkward and cringe. Watch.
Hearing me, President.
Yeah, I'm the assistant president, y'all.
Okay, got it.
All right, well, everyone, this is President Joe Biden. Hey,
So the kids just proceed to yell at him. Joe Biden like yells for no reason at the children.
all right, so Mr. President, today we are focusing on reviewing 1 and 2 step equations. So we're going through a Kahoot just to see what they know or see what they remember through the summer. So that's what we're working on today.
I tell you what, hardest thing I think is when you come back. What's the matter, baby? You look at me like I don't want to be in this mess.
Oh, what's the matter, baby? Why does he have to talk like that to these children?
The hardest thing is to come back after 3 months of not doing any work, not doing any homework, and all of a sudden, you've got a lot to make up. Everybody has a lot to catch up from what the end of the last year. And you all look so excited to be in math class in your first day.
Do they? Do they look excited? Really? Do they look excited? Again, these kids are clearly creeped out by Joe Biden's presence.
What's your hardest subject in school? Well, I tell you what, I married a woman who's a teacher, full time. And guess what? She teaches English.
But nobody can ever say where she teaches. Nobody can ever list a class that she's teaching. Everyone says that Joe Biden is a teacher. Does she teach?
English.
That's my favorite subject.
You got anything to say, huh?
Yeah, I just wonder what.
Joe Biden's like, can you bail me out here?
Great school year, and as the president said, I teach English. I teach at Nova.
Who refers, as the president said, like it's your husband, right? So like, why would you refer to him as the president? Doesn't make any sense. Do you work for him? Who the hell works for you? Who dresses you in this Minecraft dress? What is this Tetris dress? Are you trying to burn and sear the children's eyeballs out? Well, you're clearly trying to do something to the kids because Joe Biden is caught on camera coughing a wet cough into his hand and then rubbing that hand all over the children. Disgusting. Yeah, okay, yuck. You see him coughing there and then wiping it on the kids. Of course, this is naturally a common thing for Joe Biden to do. Joe Biden caught on camera with children in, let's just say, predatory positions. Time and time again, you should not allow Joe Biden to go into a school. Joe Biden should have an ankle monitor to keep him away from schools. Joe Biden's own children call him a predator. And Joe Biden himself has said that he is far too handsy with people at times. He's gotten in trouble quite a bit for this. We have a compilation for you that will burn your eyeballs out through the back of your head. Please don't enjoy this.
I've got a lot of thanks to give out here. First and foremost to my perfect wife.
Don't tell me what you have to. Can I go with Jess alone? Very good.
We met before. It's hard to forget those eyes.
Oh, wait, no, come on.
Okay.
Come on,
All right, so hold
you
five.
right over here. There you go. You can put it away if you want. Remember what you said to my mom? It was wonderful. My mom loved it.
1 minute, Angel. Do you want to hold it? Here, lollipop. It's going to come in your
got
mouth.
us all?
Just look at the camera, and
Okay.
we're going to have lollipop. It's going to go in your mouth right after, like right after.
Keep going. You're going to stand right next to me. There you go. And then we're going to have...
There you go.
Got it? Okay.
Okay, and the people in the back, if you could spread out a little bit.
You're welcome to the front row. Do you remember what I told you? No, not smile. No date till you're 30. Hey, Angel, how old are you? You're 12. What's your name? How are you? The problem is, you know, you guys, you got a hard time. You know what I mean? All right, sister. I like kids better than people.
Yeah.
Can you get some over here?
Okay.
Grandpa's one of those guys.
That's nice of you.
No, I'm not saying it. He knows it. Do you know what my dad used to say? Granddaughters have one important job.